Okay, equation. Today again I will start some more question. I am going to solve some more question. By that you will well understand. Now I am using for the DK Goel book. You can also buy the DK Goel book. Okay, because more question is given in this book. So now we are going to start question of equation chapter 6. Okay beta, the question number is 4. Now I am going to take the question number 4. Again write down one line here, and in that line we are going to put the head, serial number of all equation, and this side we are going to present in equation. Okay beta? Okay, read first.
A. Kunal started business with cash.
A. Kunal started business with cash. It means cash is equal to capital beta. Okay, Kunal started cash amount
2,50,000.
2,50,000. 2,50,000. Okay beta? I think well understand those things. Started business with cash, then cash and capital, and both amount is 2,50,000. Okay, clear? Now go for the B, and B is beta.
He purchased furniture for cash.
Now we are going to make new head, furniture. Okay, and value of furniture is
35,000.
35,000 beta, 35,000, and in cash, so this 35,000 will less from the cash, and we are going to make one new head, that is furniture. New head asset side, because furniture is assets. New head asset side, then finalize 35,000 plus 2,15,000 is equal to 2,50,000. Okay beta, clear? Up to this is clear, I think. Okay, go for the next beta. C, question C.
He paid commission.
He paid commission. Okay, commission is what beta? Commission is expense. Commission is expense. When he is going to pay the commission, it is going to pay the expense. So expense will less from the cash and capital. I think you well know about that. Cash and capital. So amount beta, commission amount
2,000.
2,000 less from cash and 2,000 from capital. Okay. Then 3,35,000, 2,13,000, and 2,48,000. Okay, clear? Less from that. Next,
He purchased good on
he purchased goods beta. He purchased goods. When he is going to purchase the goods, it means new head is coming goods, and goods is what? Goods is assets, and assets we are going to show on asset side. Goods amount beta
40,000.
40,000. He purchased goods in 40,000. So we are just putting here 40,000 in cash. He purchased goods in cash, and less this 40,000 from the cash beta. Less that 40,000 from the cash. As like that you are going in the market and purchasing something, then you are taking that things with you, but at same time you are going to pay the money. You are going to pay the money. By that your amount will less than 40,000 plus 35,000 plus 3,000, 7 and 173 is equal to 2,48,000. Okay beta, 2,48,000. Okay, clear? 40,000, 35,000 plus 1,73,000, and total is equal to 2,48,000. Beta. Okay, next.
He sold goods costing 20,000 for cash.
He sold goods costing 20,000. Okay beta, in cash of 26,000. Na beta? In cash of 26,000. That side is given na?
Yes.
26,000. He sold value of 20,000. Then 20,000 less from goods, because we are going to sell the value of 20,000 goods, and in 26,000 on cash.
Yes.
Cash is given or not? Or credit? Here. Read it again.
He sold goods costing 20 lakh for cash.
20,000 for cash. Okay. Then this 20,000 add in where? In cash, because it's just opposite of sell. It's just opposite of sell. 20,000 plus 35,000 plus 7, 1,93,000 is equal to 24, 2,48,000. Okay, beta? Clear? Clear or not? Up to this is clear. Just check the answer. Goods 20,000.
Yes.
Furniture 35,000. Cash 1,93,000.
No.
Cash amount is first is Kunal business start with 2,50,000 is okay. Then he purchased furniture for 35,000. Okay, clear? Okay, purchase goods on credit beta, but you are saying in cash. Purchase goods on credit. That goods is purchased in credit. Okay, beta? That goods purchased in credit. So then we are going to make the creditor. And creditor, what amount? 40,000. Then here also 40,000. Here also 40,000. And then add this amount. $2,113, and then 213, then 2,33,000. It's over. Clear beta? Because we are going to sell in 26,000. 600,000 is profit. Okay. Then 6. Okay. 20,000 is value of the goods less from the goods. Selling in 26,000. Then we are going to add in cash 26,000. Okay. 26,000. 26,000. And then we are going to present this profit in, add with the capital 6,000, then add this profit, then 454. Okay? Clear? Clear or not? 20,000. Okay? Then 35,000. Okay, beta? Then 1,29,000. Then 2,54,000. Let's check again. And then 40,000. 254.
Yes.
And then 40,000. Okay? Clear? In this system, they are saying purchase goods in credit, beta. Okay? Purchase goods in credit. 40,000 and this side 40,000. Okay, beta? Then 20,000 goods we are going to sold. So 20,000 less from the goods, and then 26,000 add in cash, and 6,000 profit will add in where? In the capital. Clear? Now we are going for the next question. Okay? I think it's clear. Then we are going for the next question. Just wait for the roughing this question. After roughing, we are going for the next question. Okay. Now ready for the next question? Okay, beta. And next question, I think question number 5. Okay, question number 5. Beta, read the question.
Business started with cash.
With cash. It means cash is equal to again capital and amount, beta.
1,75,000.
1,75,000. Okay, 1,75,000. Just give to me. I also see this. We'll start with the cash. 1,75,000. Okay, right. Then next, it's the first. Second is
Purchase goods from Rohit.
purchase goods from Rohit. It means goods. Goods is new head. New head is here, and Rohit. Rohit is creditor. Okay, beta. Purchase goods from Rohit, and Rohit is creditor, beta. Okay, clear? How amount? Amount, beta?
50,000.
50,000. Okay, and here we are going to make the creditor, that is Rohit, 50,000. It means finalize 50,000 plus 1,75,000 is equal to 1,75,000 plus 50,000. Okay, beta? Clear? Okay, next.
Sold good on credit to Manish, costing 17,500.
17,500, and money is given front side
20,000.
20,000. Okay, money is given this side 20,000. Okay, beta. Then we are going to make the debtor, and debtor is what? Who? Name is debtor is that name, beta?
Manish.
Manish. Manish 20,000. Okay, beta. And we are going to sell only cost 17,500. Less here plus here, then profit 2,500 is profit. 2,500 is profit. 2,500 is profit. Okay, 2,500 is profit. That will add in where? In capital. Then it's a 20,000 plus 32,500 plus 1,75,000 is equal to 177,500 plus 50,000. Okay, clear? Up to this is clear or not? Next, purchase furniture for office use. Purchase furniture for office use, beta. It means new head. Furniture for office use. It means it's like a assets. New head, furniture for office use, and that value is 10,000. And that value is 10,000, beta. So furniture you are going to make one hand. New head is furniture and less from cash. Then finalize 10,000 plus 20,000 plus 32,500 plus 165 is equal to 177,500 plus 50,000, beta. Okay, clear? Clear or not? It's clear, beta? Okay, go for the next. After this, cash paid to Rohit for full settlement, and only we are going to pay the cash 48,500. Okay, we are going to pay the cash only 48,500. It means less from cash 48,500, beta. But by the paying of this 48,500, we are going to settle the amount of Rohit, that 50,000. It means less here 50,000, because full amount is settled. Because full amount settled, beta. And when the full amount settled, it means less 50 again. But your paying only 48,500 and settle 50,000, then you will get the profit amount 1,500. By the paying of 48,500, you are going to settle the amount of 50,000. It means your earning or your profit is what? 1,500. Okay. Then finalize 10, 20, 32, 500, 500, 1, 0, 500, then 4, 6, 6, okay, and one LCM 1 and 1, okay beta. This side 1, 7, again add 9, 000, okay beta, 0, 0, 0 and 9, and this side plus 0, it's finished, okay. After this, next is beta cash received from monies. Cash received from monies 20,000. Okay, beta, 20,000. And money's balance is 20,000. It means less here, 20,000 will go to 0. And then you are receiving the cash 20,000, that will add in cash, beta. That will add in cash. Clear, beta? Then 10,000 plus 0 plus 32,500. Plus add here 136,500 is equal to 179 plus 0. Okay, beta? Clear? Up to this is clear or not? Clear, beta? Then paid rent. Paid rent. And rent amount is only 1,000. And then cash withdrawal for personal use 3,000. Okay? Paid rent. Paid rent, and rent is what? Rent is expense, and expense we are going to less from cash and capital 1,000, less from cash and capital, beta. This 1,000 less from cash and capital. Then again finalize 0, 32,500 plus 135,500, 178 and plus 0. Okay, beta? This rent is like an expense, and expense we are going to less from the cash and capital both. And then next, they are going to withdraw the cash. Withdraw the cash for personal use 3,000. Okay? Personal use at like a drawing. So withdraw the cash. Withdrawing means less from cash 3,000 and less from capital 3,000. Okay, beta? Same thing is there. Less for cash 3,000. Okay? And less from capital. Now going to finalize 10,000 plus 0 plus 32,500 plus less here again to 132,500 is equal to 175 plus 0. Okay, beta? Clear? Now we are going to matching the answer. Cash 132,500. It's clear. 32,500 is furniture. Goods. Clear? Furniture 10,000 clear, and capital 175. Okay, beta? It's clear or not? Just add this. This is also 175. Okay, beta? And this 175. On this way we are going to present. On this way we are going to present all the things. Okay, beta? Clear or not? Clear? Again, see, it's very easy. Two new things is there. Full settlement. By the paying of 48,500, they are going to full settlement of 50,000. It means, as like that, you are taking the 10 rupees for any person, and giving the 9 rupees, and on the time of giving that 9 rupees, you are settled this. Okay, that 10 rupees is finished. Means, you are only paying 9 rupees, and settle the 10 rupees. It means 1 rupees is profit. 1 rupees your profit, beta. Same way, we are going to pay only 48,500. By that, we are going to settle the amount of 50,000. Amount of 50,000, beta. Okay, clear? So 1500 is what? It's a profit. Same way we are receiving. We are going to receive. We are going to receive, beta. We are going to receive 20,000 from the debtor. That is Manish. So less the 20,000 for debtor. Debtor is finished, and 20,000 going to add in where? In cash. Then expense 1,000, 1,000. Drawing 3,000, 3,000. I think well known about the drawing. Well known about the drawing. Any type of drawing we are going to less from the cash and capital. Okay, beta? Clear? And in this side we are going to return the all transactions. Okay, beta? Clear? Okay. Thank you.